So this is the Ash Blonde Highlight Loose Wave Glueless Minimalist HD Lace Short Wavy Wig with pre-cut lace from Luvme Hair. And here is everything that comes inside the packaging. We do have the wig, of course. They also provided a mesh storage bag to store your wigs in, a box label card in case you decide to store it inside the box, a custom hair clip, a set of Velcro strips to help secure your wig, a set of HD wig caps, a detachable adjustable elastic band with silicone gripping, and this really detailed user guide and info card. Now, let's go over everything you need to know about this wig. This is a 100% human hair wig with 150% density. This wig here does come in 3 different length options, 8, 10, and 12. The one that I specifically have here is in the 12 inch. It comes ready to wear, 100% glueless with 3 secure combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. It also has adjustable straps along the back to adjust the sizing, and it comes with a detachable adjustable elastic band with silicone gripping. Although this is not one of Luvme's airy fit caps, this cap does come with a little bit of flexibility. She also comes with a minimalist lace design with 4 inches of lace within a curved part and 6.5 inches of lace at the perimeter. And this is HD lace. It comes pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, and pre-cut. A true wear and go wig. She comes just like this, straight out of the box with these beautiful loose bouncy curls and gorgeous ash blonde highlights. All of this for an incredibly low price. And if you watch all the way through, I'll tell you how to get this wig for even less. Alright, so here is the wig. I'm going to go ahead and try it on so that you can see what it looks like straight out of the box. I have the elastic band already hooked on and adjusted and ready to go. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. It's really cute. The curls are really cute. They definitely feel like vintage, glamour, Hollywood curls, and I love it. I especially love the color. The highlights in the front are really beautiful. And the lace as is looks incredible. But I am of a darker complexion, and just to make sure that the lace blends in as best as it can with my skin, I'm going to go in and tint the lace on this unit using this lace tint spray from Kiss in the shade dark brown. This is my all-time favorite lace tint spray because it is indeed quick drying and is also peach scented. And now that the lace is tinted, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the wig looks like. Okay, so the lace is tinted, and this is what the wig looks like up close with no glue, no spray, no gel, or anything. Now I am going to comb out and brush out the curls so you can get the full look of how this hairstyle is supposed to be. So this is pretty much what the style looks like. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and I'll come right back and give you my final thoughts on this unit. I think this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Especially love the curls. It's definitely giving pin up vintage old Hollywood curl, and I love that style. It's very glamorous, and I absolutely love the blonde highlights in this unit. I do think personally it would look a lot better on me if the roots were darker. That is something I could do myself, but at the moment I don't feel it's necessary. It is cute as is, but I know that it would definitely look more realistic if the roots matched my natural hair. I'm using all 3 combs in this unit, both of the ones at the front and the comb in the back, and I am also using the adjustable elastic band, and it is super duper snug and secure, but it's also not overly tight. The C-shaped ear tabs are definitely making the wig a lot more comfortable over here on the sides, and because this cap has a lot of flexibility to it, it's not overly tugging up here on my hair where I have the combs, so I definitely love that as well. I would definitely consider this a 5-star wig. I love the color, I love the cut, I love the curls. The lace, as always, is amazing. It's definitely giving scalp. It's a great summertime wig. It's the perfect everyday length. You don't have to do too much maintenance with it because it is a short wig. You can pretty much just detangle it with your fingers and everything will be refreshed and back to normal. You can always go through it with like a fine tooth comb like this one, completely combing out, and that will give you this really big voluminous look, but I definitely love the curls. Tight and cute as they are, it definitely feels a lot more glamorous and sexy to me this way. And if you are personally interested in trying this wig out for yourself to see how it would look on you, I'll have all of the information in the direct link down below in the description box. And if you decide to purchase this wig or make any purchases with Luvme Hair, we do have a special coupon code. I'll put it right up here on the screen, and you can use that coupon code to save 28% off of any orders placed with Luvme Hair. And if this wig specifically is not your cup of tea, I do have a playlist over on my channel of some of my favorite wigs from Luvme Hair, and you can also use that coupon code to purchase any wigs from that playlist. But that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and content like this. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.